Well, there are a lot of stories about the celebrities जिनके थ्रू उनको सक्सेस हासिल हुई है। कितनी बार ऐसे हुआ है कि हमारे कलाकारों ने अपने नाम को बदल दिया या फिर अपने नाम में एक लेटर को ऐड करवा दिया स्पिरिचुअल रीजंस के लिए। एक ऐसी अदाकारा जिन्होंने अपने नाम में कोई अल्फाज ऐड नहीं करवाया बल्कि उन्होंने अपना नाम ही बदल दिया था। Rather, she was forced to change her name for films. जी हाँ दोस्तों, you heard that thing right. Manoj Bajpayee's wife Neha conveys and says that I was never Neha. I was always Shabana, and rather I was forced into changing my name too. I was not okay with it all, but then I had to do it. Well, there is no denying that actor Manoj Bajpayee is a family man in real life. एक recent interview में जब actor से पूछा गया what comes first for him, the family or the work, he promptly said family comes first. First, I have to fulfill all the expectations and requirements, and only then I can get out of my house. And if there is any call of my daughter falling sick or my wife not feeling well, it disturbs me completely. I can't function at all. For me, family's happiness is utmost priority. After that, you can actually work well. Then you don't care if you are hurt or you are nursing or your wound is to be shot. It really doesn't bother you. The family has to be happy for you to work peacefully. This statement goes on to show how much he loves and adores his family, his wife Shabana Raza and daughter Avia Nalia. But then, क्या आपको पता है कि मनोज बाजपेयी की wife is an actress also in real life, and she made her Bollywood debut with Bobby Deol star Kareeb in 1998. After that, she featured in Hrithik Roshan's Fizza, Ajay Devgan's Hogi Pyar Ki Jeet, जहाँ पे she was forced to change her name from Shabana to Neha, unlike some other celebrities who voluntarily ditched their original names and opted for stage names. Back in the day, she had spoken about it in 2008 with a leading portal ka interview. She mentioned how she was forced to change her name to Neha before stepping into the Bollywood industry. I was never Neha. I was always Shabana. I was forced into changing my name too. I was not okay with it at all. My parents proudly named me Shabana. There was no need to change it, but nobody listened to me. I have matured a lot since I entered the industry. I was very apprehensive about everything before, but I understood better now is what she was seen quoted to the portal. On why she did not go back to her original name after Kareeb yani Shabana कहती हैं, this is the sad part. Nobody would listen to me when I wanted to go back to my first name. This is why working with Sanjay and the whole team of Alibag has been the best experience of my life. I told Sanjay that I want to go with my real name and that he was okay with it. I had lost my identity and now I got it back. It was in 2008 film Alibag that Shabana finally managed to use her original name. 2016 में जब मनोज बाजपेयी was asked about his wife's comeback to acting, he told the leading portal, she will be as soon as my daughter is grown up a little. Right now she's open to doing ads and short films and the other stuff so that she can actually concentrate on our child. While ये कहना वाकई में सही होगा कि हमारे कलाकारों को अपने करियर को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए काफी सारे सैक्रिफाइसेस करने पड़ते हैं और ये सैक्रिफाइसेस अक्सर आम जनता के नजरों से दूर हो जाते हैं। उन्हें इनके बारे में आइडिया भी नहीं होता और ऐसे ही इंटरव्यूज में हमारे कलाकार कर देते हैं बहुत ही सॉलिड कन्फेशंस। आप हमारे साथ नीचे बने कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर शेयर करिएगा कि क्या आप जानते थे that मनोज बाजपेयी की wife had actually been forced to change her name from Shabana to Neha. Until then, stay tuned to Telly Chakkar for all the more updates about the Telly world. Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.